hope you all had a great Thanksgiving yesterday, and if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you had a great day. My name is Lisa. Welcome back to the House of Jane. My channel focuses on doing subscription boxing unboxings of quilting products, sewing products, crafts, paper products, housewares, beauty, all that kind of good stuff. And today I am doing a video showcasing some products that I received from Annie's. Annie's is a subscription service. They do monthly subscription boxes in quilting and sewing, paper crafts, crocheting, stuff like that. And they sent me some products to review that I'm going to show you in just a moment. And let me know what you think of them. They sent me 3 products in a box. I got it today. Let me get them out. 2 of the products are sewing related. Annie's has sewing and quilting subscription boxes. One of them is called the Creative Quilters Fabric Club, and the other one is called a Holiday Quilters Club. So they sent me a package of each. And they also do paper crafts. So I've been building up some stash of some supplies to do some paper crafts, and they sent me a paper crafts product for review. So I'm going to show you that as well. And right now Annie's is having a terrific sale, 75% off your first box, your first order. I mean, you can sign up for 1 month. You do not have to sign up for, 12 months at a time. You can try it. So your first month is going to be 75% off, and I'm going to have the code down below. So it's a great way to try a new subscription. Let's look at the Creative Quilters Fabric Club. This is what I got. Comes in the box is not very big. It says Annie's Creative Quilters Fabric Club. This little note card there. And basically it looks like this. Brochure. And then the package. So I looked at this brochure and it was really nice. It's just a basic stitching guide. It tells you how to, it's a guide just if you forget how to do certain things in quilting, like how do you cut a fat quarter, how do you bind a quilt, how do you press, what are seam allowances, stuff like that. Here's a whole section on binding. So I thought this was nice. They even had a little graphic on sizes, what sizes are in a baby quilt, a crib quilt, a queen quilt. I mean, how many yards of fabric would you need, stuff like that. There's a little conversion here from yards to inches as well. So here's just a little guide that you can find actually in most quilting books and magazines. And this is the package they sent me. It's a project called Tonga Spa Day by Danielle Stout Collection. They included the pattern and all the fabrics. So the pattern is really a pretty pillow. You can make one 18 by 18 inch pillow with these fabrics. So it's really nice to get everything in a box. A small project, instructions, and fabric. And everything is cut to size. So I'm not sure if they list the dimensions of the fabric. They don't. But they give you everything to make the product. And it's batiks. So here's the first one. Really pretty. Second one. They're very soft. Third one. Love this one. Fourth. 6. So they say this skill level for this project is intermediate, but I have made pillows like this before, and I would say this is an intermediate to advanced beginner project. You know what I just noticed? My glasses has the sticker on them. I'm so embarrassed. Let me take it off. I'm such a goofball. I'm like, what is that thing over there? It was the sticker. That's what you get. So I think if you're an advanced beginner, you can cut this out and definitely make this pillow. So that's the first project. And the second one they sent is from their Holiday Quilters Club. So what I'm going to do, I haven't even opened this yet. I'm going to do a giveaway, and I'm going to give this away at the end of the video. So watch through the whole video and follow the instructions to win this and a few other goodies that I'm going to throw in. So this is a set of hot pads for the holiday. I'm going to be really careful opening this. I'm already ripping the plastic. All right, there we go. It's just taped down in a certain area. Okay. Look, they have really good packaging. Take it out. So it comes with the pattern, and it looks like, yeah, you can make 4 holiday hot pads. Very nice. You can make these 4 hot pads, which are also on the cover. Here's the kit again, all the fabric for the hot pads. If you choose to make the hot pads, I mean, obviously you can, I'm giving this away, you can make whatever you want with it. But everything is cut out nicely, and all you have to do is iron and cut, and it's yours. There we go. And it also comes with, I don't know who that is, all the little embellishments you need to do the hot pads. So that's what I'm gonna do for the giveaway, and tell me why you want to win them. I'm going to be searching on a word when I do the random comment picker, and the word is going to be holiday. Holiday. Just tell me in a sentence or two, and use you know, why you'd like to win this. If you're a quilter or you're a new sewer, this would be a perfect project for it. The skill level is confident beginner, and just make sure you use the word holiday in your response. And just a quick giveaway. Well, I'll give the giveaway rules at the end. I'm also going to throw in the giveaway this bobbin keeper that I received from my recent Sew Sampler box. And you don't even want to know the mess behind me. It's pretty bad. I'm going to throw in the scissors that I got in, I believe it was the last, maybe the October box. Or maybe the September box. Anyway, I will throw in a little pair of scissors also. Oh, I know what box. I got it in my spooky box. Spooky box. I'm going to throw in these scissors from the spooky box, and these are worth $8.48. So you get the bobbin keeper, the scissors, and the holiday gift thing to make all those hot pads. Okay, and the last item that Annie sent me was a stationary package because I'm getting into paper crafts, and that's what they specialize in. Is one of their monthly clubs is paper crafts. So it came just like this. Let me get the project out. The project are these cards to make birthday cards, and they've included everything in here. They included the cards, the envelopes, the card stock, pattern papers, die cut sheets, acetate sheet, ribbons, glitter dots, and self-cling rubber stamps. And they do step-by-step instructions to make two cards. And I believe they might, well, let's just take a look. First thing I love are these stamps. These are the kind that you stick on the acrylic block and you ink up the side and you stamp. You stick this part onto the acrylic block. So it's have a sweet birthday. You could never have too many sprinkles and sweet wishes. So you can use these over and over again. Love it. Then they included the ribbons for the card. The cards themselves, I think you can make multiple cards. It looks like they gave, yeah, I think you can make more than one birthday card. I don't know, this is my first time experiencing Annie's, and I'm just like really, I like the packaging. It's very nice and organized, and so they gave cardstock to make, oh, multiple cards. Looks like you make 8 cards, 4 of each. So you can make a whole set and then give it away as a birthday present. And then there's 8 envelopes. So 8 cardstocks, 4 in each color, purple or the blue. And then here are the papers. Really nice paper. I mean, I'm assuming you can make 8 cards. And then they have these cutouts. This is, wow. So there's 2 sheets of these cutouts. And 2 sheets of these for 8 cards. Here's these acetate things. So it's for 4 of those birthday cards. Here's some more cardstock. And then all the papers. So that's pretty impressive that you can make 8 cards. And I'm gonna have to try it because these are so adorable. And what I like about it, you know, 1, 2, oh, there's 4 cards you make. This is, I'm sorry. It seems like you can make 4 cards. These are the 4 cards. So it looks, but you can make a total of, so you make 2 of each. Got it. Got it. 4 different cards, 2 of each. So you can make 2 of those, 2 of those, 2 of those, 2 of those, for a total of 8 cards. So that's really a nice beginner's pack for paper crafts. So I think that would go together really quickly. Only thing you need to do is supply your own glue and the inks. So let me know what you think of Annie's. I am very happy with Annie's. I especially love the pillow pattern. I love that all the fabric is included, and I'm really happy to give away this whole set to you. This whole set in the giveaway. So remember, comment below. Tell me anything you want, just as long as you have the word holiday in your response. And I will keep this giveaway open until today is Friday. I will pick a winner no later than next Sunday, and I will do a little video announcing the winner. This giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube. It's totally sponsored by me. YouTube has nothing to do with the giveaway. And it's also international. I love all my subscribers, so it's open to people that live in the United States, Canada, Europe, Asia, wherever you live. Just enter. And the most important rule, I'm going to be a stickler for this one because I am going to check. You have to have an account that's publicly subscribed to my channel. If you're not, this is for you guys. I love you guys. You're my subscribers, and I appreciate you watching and supporting my channel. So you have to be publicly subscribed. There are a couple of people I notice have a habit of subscribing, unsubscribing, subscribing, unsubscribing, especially after I do a giveaway and they don't win. I know who you are, so just don't enter, because I can't, I don't play games like that. If you want to be subscribed to my channel, great. I love to have you here. But if you subscribe and unsubscribe to enter a contest, just don't bother entering. That's all I'm going to say about that. So thank you for supporting my channel. If you are watching and you're not subscribed, just hit that red subscribe button. It's free. And I do all sorts of videos in quilting, sewing, beauty, unboxings, and I would love to have your support, and I hope some of my content is interesting to you as well. So take care, guys and gals, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.